Hi guys, this is Enhanced by Julie. I'm back with another crochet installment. This is my braid pattern. I have 10 braids going across the top, connected to 5 big braids in the back. Look at the struggle braid. Don't judge me. Today I'll be using Model Spiral Wand Curl. It's different from pre-tress wand curl or Model Zest curls. These curls are much smaller, and I just wanted to try this curl pattern just to see if I'll like it. I purchased 2 packs, each at $9.99. I use the standard crochet method where I twist the hair, put the hair through the loop, twist it again. I did it twice. You can do it once and get away with it. This hair has a lot of texture, so it will actually hold with one knot. I used 2 full packs of this hair, and it only took me 20 minutes to install all of this hair. I lost the audio, so I'm doing a voiceover because I lost the audio footage when I originally did the video. But this hair is okay. I don't prefer this over the original wand curl. These curls are a bit smaller. It's okay. It's something that I will probably have in my hair for probably 2 weeks. The length of the hair is not what I thought. I thought it would be a little longer based on the pack, but after the install, the curls are so tight, it didn't drop whatsoever. But I'll probably rock this for probably 2 weeks and take this out. I do prefer the original wand curl. However, the hair is beautiful. It's just not for me. after installing the hair, I took my I Am Blessed edge control just to lay my edges, just to give the style a more sleek look. Here I'm just playing around with the hair, but you guys, please, thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel. I'm sorry I lost a lot of audio footage with my new mic. I gotta figure out how to work that out, but please subscribe, comment below, and share this video, and thank you so much again for watching.